If you have been making videos with Meta AI, you already know the problem. Every single video you download comes with a watermark, and it moves around the screen so you cannot just crop it out. It is incredibly frustrating when you have spent time crafting the perfect prompt only to have your final creation ruined by a moving logo. In this video, I am going to show you 3 real, working methods to download Meta AI videos completely watermark-free. These are verified workarounds that actually deliver high-quality results. So stay till the very end because you do not want to miss a single step. So first, let me quickly show you the actual problem and why it happens. Head over to the official Meta AI website and click on the Create option. You can upload an image if you want to make an image-to-video project, or just type your detailed prompt and hit send. Meta AI will process your request and generate your video within a few seconds. Notice that while the video plays inside the Meta AI website interface, there is no watermark showing. It looks absolutely pristine, but the second you download it to your storage and play it on your device, that watermark suddenly shows up and keeps moving all over the place. It bounces from corner to corner. That is exactly what we are fixing today. Let me walk you through all 3 methods one by one so you can choose the best one for your workflow. Method number 1 uses a tool called Manus AI. This one is interesting because it actually accesses Meta AI's backend to pull the clean version of your video directly from the source. Here is how to do it. First, go to your generated video on the Meta AI platform. Click the share button and then click Copy Link. That copies the direct URL link of your video to your clipboard. Now open Chrome and search for Manus AI. Click the first official result and log in to your account. If it is your first time using this platform, just sign up. It only takes a brief moment. In the main prompt box, paste your Meta AI video link. Then, right below it, type this exact line. Download this video without watermark. Hit run and wait for the processing to finish. Manus AI will go to Meta AI's backend system and get you the same video, without any watermark. Once it finishes rendering, click the video to check it, then download the file. And there you go. No watermark at all. It is beautiful and clean. Now, the one downside with Manus AI is that it has usage limits, so you cannot run this forever without hitting a cap on your account. That is why this is method number 1. The next 2 methods have 0 limits and give you total freedom. Method number 2 uses your browser's built-in developer tools combined with ChatGPT. This one might look technical at first glance, but follow along step by step and it is actually straightforward. Go to your Meta AI video page. Right-click anywhere on the screen and select Inspect from the context menu. This opens the browser developer panel on the right side of your screen. In the DevTools panel, click the Select Element icon. It looks like a cursor inside a small box. Now move your mouse over the video playing on the page. You will see it highlight automatically. Click directly on the video to select it. Once you click the video, the specific HTML code for that element will get highlighted in the DevTools panel. Right-click on that highlighted code line, hover over Copy, and select Copy Element. That copies all the underlying video source code to your clipboard. Now open ChatGPT in a new tab. In the prompt box, type this. Convert this HTML video element into a direct MP4 URL. Return only the final MP4 link. Then paste the HTML code you just copied right below that and send it. ChatGPT will instantly analyze the code and pull the direct MP4 link out of that code snippet. Click the link, click Open Link, and the video will load directly in your browser, completely clean. Click the 3 dots on the video player and hit download. No watermark, no limits, works every time. Now for method number 3, the fastest, cleanest, and most convenient of all 3. On your desktop, open Chrome and search for Chrome Web Store, then search Video Downloader by Cooley. Add the extension to your browser. It only takes a few seconds to install. Once it is installed, go to the Meta AI website and refresh the page. Then click the extensions icon in your Chrome toolbar and open the Video Downloader extension. It will automatically detect every video on the page and list them right there. Click the 3 dots next to your video and hit download. That is it. The file saves to your computer completely watermark-free. No extra steps, no copying links, no developer tools. And you can do this as many times as you want. There is no limit. So there you have it. 3 real methods to get rid of that Meta AI watermark for good. Use Manus AI for a quick fix, the Inspect plus ChatGPT method when you want full control, or the browser extension for the fastest experience. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe so you never miss videos like this. See you in the next one.